Jen, I'm Tez.
Carissa.
We bought y'all Buffalo Trace. Let's see right there. It's a wheat mash, corn, wheat, and barley recipe. It's 114 proof. I also work at a liquor store, so I got half price on this marked down. This shit is like, you can pour this shit in your fucking your go-kart, or you get a 4-stroke car. Got a thing to say about this, so we try this. This Buffalo Trace white dog.
Let's go.
Alright. This is fresh for the pop the seal. This ain't water. That's the seal right there. Finna take it off. If y'all thought this was just water, nah. Look at that. There it is. Look, it still got that thing on there. Yep. There it is. Ooh, this smell like alcohol you put on your skin. Smell that.
That mean I don't.
Oh my God, smell that. No, hold it. Make it get a deep breath with it. Oh man, shout out to Fireball, man. He got the 10-cup shot. We're not gonna do a full shot. It's gonna be like maybe a quarter of a shot because this is 114 proof. No way. Here we go. I gotta show y'all. Here we go. This is crazy. All right, I'm gonna try it first. Get my initial reaction, and then we're gonna let her try it. That's my son Junior put it on the table. Excuse that.
Did you just sip that?
Ooh. God almighty. Good God almighty. Woo. It's sweet, but it's fire. Ooh.
You just sipped it.
I did.
Why the hell did you just sip it?
Cause I told her we're doing a quarter of a shot. But interesting, it do taste like wheat and corn. It do taste like wheat and corn. It's not bad. It's full body. It's not New Orleans. It's actually flavorful. Now you try it. You try it out. Go ahead. Ooh, that's strong. That's what you think? What you think? Oh man. I think I'm gonna take another shot. There's this. I guess it's in my blood.
Still burning now.
I just poured me a little shot.
Still burn.
Here we go.
I still feel it going down.
It perfumes out your nose.
Nigga, what?
Whew.
What?
It don't perfume out your nose.
What does that even mean?
You know, pause. She did not know what that means. When they say something perfume out your nose, that means what you inhale, and when you breathe out your nose, it comes out your nose. Have you ever burped? Have you ever burped and it came out your nose?
Burp?
I burn?
Really?
Yeah. You ain't never heard this perfume out your nose? Oh wow. You learn something new every day. But yeah, that's what it is. White Dog Buffalo Trace, 114 proof, 57 APV. So
What can you mix that with?
Hunch Punch. That's the only thing you can mix it with.
I don't even know what Hunch Punch is.
It's fruit punch with a bunch of fruit in it, and then you add the high proof alcohol, so you won't taste it. So overall,
Gave me gas.
I get this for high proof. I give it a 5.
It's
I give it a
not
5.
bad, so I give it a 5 too.
What? 5 out of 5.
Just
Nah, it just because it's high. This is the highest alcohol proof we ever had in my life, besides moonshine. My granddad had. Yeah, so we brought to you Buffalo Trace, White Dog. Next set we're gonna do the last but not least, the Papa Select Wild Berry and his best favorite crab soda. So see y'all later. Bye.